Mastering Financial Planning and Forecasting, an English language learning journey. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Advanced English Vocabulary series focusing on the fascinating world of corporate finance. In today's session, we're going to dive into the key area of financial planning and forecasting. As we discuss these concepts, we'll introduce and define essential business and finance vocabulary. This will help you to communicate effectively in English within a professional finance setting, or just to increase your overall language proficiency. Let's get started. In any business, financial planning is an important activity. It's the process of estimating the capital that a company needs and determining its competition. The main vocabulary that you need to be familiar with in this section are: capital. This refers to the financial resources that businesses use to fund their operations and growth. Budget. A budget is a detailed plan that outlines where a company will spend its money in a future period. Cash flow. This term describes the movement of money into and out of a business. Revenue projection. A prediction of future revenues based on expected sales. Here's an example of how these terms might be used in a sentence. By managing our capital wisely and closely monitoring our cash flow, we can make accurate revenue projections and create a realistic budget. Moving forward to financial forecasting, it's the process of making estimations or predictions about a business's future performance. Key vocabulary in this section includes: forecast, a prediction or estimate of future events, often related to a company's finances. Variable. In the context of finance, a variable is a quantity that can change or vary. Scenario analysis. This is a process of predicting the future by considering a variety of possible scenarios or outcomes. Consider this sentence as an example. In our scenario analysis, we've identified several key variables that could affect our financial forecast. Beyond individual vocabulary words, it's also important to understand common phrases used within the realm of financial planning and forecasting. Cost-benefit analysis. This phrase refers to a process used to evaluate decisions, taking into account their potential costs and benefits. Risk assessment. This is the process of identifying and analyzing potential issues that could negatively impact key business initiatives or critical projects. Profit margin. This term represents a measure of profitability for a company. An example sentence could be: after thorough risk assessment and cost-benefit analysis, our company expects a high profit margin this quarter. And there we have it, folks. We've taken a deep dive into the financial planning and forecasting vocabulary in English. We trust that this journey has given you a clearer understanding of these essential business terms and that you feel more confident using them in your professional communications or English language exams. Remember, understanding and using these terms can enrich your English language proficiency and provide you with the language tools to succeed in the corporate finance world. See you in our next video where we continue exploring fascinating topics in English. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.